Howdy, folks. We are live at 7:07 p.m. and we are running the second, as I copy our 33 spot list, second mini for the Meccano 20-back Leia. There she is. She's a beaut. Top 5 win spots in the main. Gonna paste the list in there. There it is, 1 through 33. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 8, so we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Beetlejuice, Sven, Dennis, Matt, and Steve, round 1. Eric, Dennis, Chris, Beetle, and Peter, round 2. Matt, Sven, Chris, Kenneth, and Moritz, round 3. Chris, Kenneth, Sven, Matt, and Steve, round 4. Sven, Beetlejuice, David Montauk, and Sven, round 5. Matt, Kenneth, Matt, and Chris, round 6. Matt, Beetlejuice, Steve, and Beetlejuice as we come now to the final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winners are Chris, Matt, David, Mo, and Peter. Congratulations, fellas. Here's the verification and official results. WWADKJ. Chris, Matthew, David, Mo, and Peter are the victors of Leia Mini 2. I'm done. That's 7:08. There it is. Again, here's the official results and the winners. Congratulations again, fellas. Please be sure to pick your spots in order in the main. See you next round. Bye.